Hello everybody, this is the third in our three-part Hot Wheels unboxing. The first one was the 2022 USB case. The second one was the 2022 B case again, but in GameStop form, and we got very lucky there. Gotta go watch that video if you haven't already. Always fun to pull a super. And now it is time to open up the C case. I have not seen the C case in stores in the US. That doesn't mean they're out there. I know we're just kind of getting everything kind of all at once. It's been so weird with distribution. Very, very slow. Usually by now we're on EF cases at least, if not even further along. But here we are with the C case. I've got it. It means it's in Mattel distribution centers, which means you'll see it at your Targets and Walmarts and Kroger's and whatever else here momentarily if they aren't out there already. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Like I said, this came from Mattel. Thanks to them for sending. And this one I'm not, I've watched some unboxings from other folks, but I don't remember. Like I said, I try and kind of play dumb a little bit. Some of you go, playing dumb? Really? You don't need to play dumb. But I just, I don't know exactly what's in this case, so I'll be nice and surprised as we go. Already can see some cool stuff here. So let's go ahead. Oh yeah, some really cool stuff. There's that Bugatti. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this one would be the Super if I pulled it, right? That is clearly not the Super. It is the Dodge van. This is the Dodgebon. This is a Ryo Asada design. Done as like the drift Dodge. I don't know if they say anything on it. No, they don't mention that how it is a drift van like they did in the first one. But that one is cool. If it was, I think, the 4 spokes on it, then we would have the Super Treasure Hunt. Already looks good in purple. That's a Super that I definitely want to get my hands on as well. Very, very cool model. There's the Sweet Driver. Is that a new casting? Yeah, new for 22. Also a Ryo Asada design. He was really doing that food series for a while. And then the HW450F. Not entirely sure, like others, what the regular Treasure Hunt is in this one. We already know what the Super is. It's the Dodge van. There's the locomotor and this thing. 94 Bugatti Eb 110 SS. This was in the top 3 of your top best models of 2022 or 2021. Love it in blue, but this thing in yellow with the black rims is fantastic. Wow, I don't know. Is that better than the blue? It might be. There's the Cybertruck second version. I should put this in the highlight pile, and I'm definitely going to put that in the highlight pile. Lots of cool Ryo Asada designs all ready to start. Oh, cool. All right, there's the Pixel Shaker. A lot of bone... Oh, that is the Treasure Hunt, isn't it? Keep it out of the shadows. There's the symbol on it. I don't know if we can see it on the card, but the symbol is sitting right there. So another kind of unexciting regular Treasure Hunt. Borla, once again, we saw it on the Jeep. Now we see it on the Chevy Silverado. That Borla deco is fantastic in black and red. And here's a new model, Ford Mustang Mach E 1400. Look at the spoiler on that thing. That's bonkers. All right, new for 22. So that is that kind of, I mean, let's be honest. It's a fake Mustang. Here's my opinion from a car perspective. I love that they're going electric. And I know some of you don't agree with me, but we need electric cars, and we need just electric cars. And I know a lot of you won't agree with me on that. But why make a Mustang that doesn't look like a Mustang? Just make an electric Mustang. You know, 2-door Mustang. But this is obviously the racing version. Cool that they're going in this direction. Definitely happy about that. But I don't know if I agree with the decisions to make put the Mustang badge on something that doesn't look like a Mustang. All right. Off my soapbox. Tool again we've seen that Batmobile and Mach It Go. Mach It Go? That's new for 22. Mach It Go. We've seen the Cadillac. I don't think we've seen the Subaru WRX. No, we haven't seen either one of these. So there is the Subaru WRX STI, and there is the 2021 Ford Bronco. I actually like this. I mean, the Bronco is very clean. I actually like, muddy it up. This thing is that off-road version. I don't think... Oh, it's got the grill on it, which is nice. I haven't been particularly fond of this casting, but I think it looks better here than it did in the first 2 versions from last year. So we'll put both of those in the highlight pile. Why not? Fig Rig. Oh, here's a new model. This goes in the highlight pile. It is the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Kind of a nice companion piece to the 4Runner that was put out in Boulevard last year, right? So definitely lifted, big wheels on this one. Modern trucks, like I said, don't do it for me, but this one's nice. This one's nice. I'm still like, still a Toyota Tacoma. Oh, look at this 56 Ford here. I got to get my hands so I can get out of the shadows. So that goes in the highlight pile. So does this. Moon Eyes in red. So it debuts. It's got the Moon Eyes logo. This is the first time. Do I put this in my Moon Eyes collection? Does my daughter put it in her Moon Eyes collection? I got to say, you got to. Maybe it will get recolored in yellow, but it's got this kind of patina red look almost. I like it a lot. I love the casting for Moon Eyes too, but yeah, it should have been yellow, but that's okay. I like the red. It's highlight pile it goes. Ooh, more highlights. At least this one, 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV. And let's see, it was red, and then it was yellow. Now we've got it in Gulf colors. You gonna win with the Gulf? I think you are. I don't know. You got to go with that. I think that red version's the best one, but love it. Highlight pile. We've seen the Chevy Chevelle, and there's the See Me Rollin'. And I didn't sing it. Oh boy, look at that. Okay, Dodge Dart, that's nice. It's an art car, but look at this. Nissan R390. Now, when you see this casting or you see this car, you think of it in blue. We already got it in blue, then we got it in red, but this white version is clean. I say it all the time, white cars with dark rims, they look so good. And this one is detailed everywhere. That is a major highlight. That one looks good. That and the Bugatti. Wow, we're getting it on this cast. This is already a much better case than that B case, right? Chevy Impala classic Hot Wheels casting. Sitting over the 57 Chevy classic Hot Wheels casting. Both of them look good. That lowered Impala, man, has it been decades since we've seen that casting? And then the bricking trails. GT Scorcher. This one is made to really look like a super silhouette, isn't it? That's funny. La Fasta and the McLaren GTR, right? F1 GTR, which we've already seen. We've seen that. We've seen that. We've seen that. If it were gold in the last case. Oh man, just any chance to show it off, right? That's the Super. I'm filming these all together, as you can probably tell. I'm just not releasing them at the same time. There's the Humvee, there's the Rocket Box, there's the fantastic 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth from the B case. All right, that's the first half. Let's look at the second half. Already really good stuff in this case. Dodge Dart, Jeep Gladiator. We've seen that with the Borla. We've also seen the Cybertruck. Push this back a little bit so I can stack these up. We get another Tacoma. We also get the Barbie Dream Camper. Is that the same? I mean, it's obviously in pink. Is that the same deco? I can't remember. And then the track manga. Another Ford Mustang Mach E 1400. There's another green Batmobile. And we get another Triassic 5. By the way, I didn't note because I was just so flabbergasted by the Super Treasure Hunt in the GameStop. We didn't get the Triassic 5. We got a ton of exclusives, but obviously it wasn't every car from the B case. So I'm assuming other GameStops will have like the Triassic 5. It'll just be a variety, right? Mach Go. There's this Disney Steamboat again, and the Velociracer. But obviously that Triassic 5, people are going to want it. It's so popular. Volkswagen Beetle. There's the Skull Shaker again, and the McLaren F1 GTR. Now we're seeing a lot of stuff that we've already seen. Don't know if we've seen the Blade Raider, but now you have. There's the Arkham Asylum Batmobile again, and the Ford Focus RS. Yeah, now we're just blowing through. Track Manga, Pontiac Firebird, and the Gladiator again. Are you seeing anything new? I don't even know. I don't think so. Beetle Chevy BMW. Beetle Chevy BMW. Oh, we got a plane there. Fig Rig, Gasser, Tooligan. This is new to the case. It's that X-Jet from X-Men, right? Blue was the first one. This one's in black. Moving on, there's the Cadillac, and there's the Humvee. There's cars falling. There's some cars too. And here's some cars that we've seen before. There you go. That is the C case. Now, second half of the C case wasn't much to get excited about. But that first half, what are the highlights here? My goodness. It's loaded. I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. We'll get to the loves here. I like this one. This is a 1. I like this one. Actually, I mean, it's a nice replica of a car I could care less about. Love this one. Love this one. Love this one. Love this one. So there we go. There's your theme right there. Classic supercars, right? From, different, almost what, 80s, 90s. When was the R390 out? Anyway, very, very cool. All Rio designs. There's your highlight right there. These three. This is your go-to. Would have liked to have seen an extra of each one of those in here. I'm assuming we'll see more of them in the D case, right? Love those. Mattel, thank you for sending. That is our trio of unboxings. I thought they were pretty fun. You guys tell me what you think. Which is your favorite? Bugatti for me. Thanks, everybody. Bye.